Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can clear your Safari history, search history and whatever else on your iPhone 15. When you go to Safari and are in your browser and you just click here and then close that tab, that doesn't do it. You want to go to your settings and then scroll all the way down to Safari, and here you want to scroll down to clear history and website data. And here you can now set what you want to delete: the last hour, all day today and yesterday, or all history in general. Then you also have an additional option to close all tabs, and then you can say clear history, and now it will delete everything. And when you open something new and want to clear that, you will be able to click here again to clear your history and website data. So that's really quick and easy how you can clear your history and website data on your iPhone 15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.